Scar and Mufasa were friends once upon a time? Shah Rukh Khan and his son working together in a movie? Merry Christmas! This is RJ Manasa from Fever FM trying to spread some Christmas cheer if you have your Christmas holidays on. So I'll tell you what movies to watch and what movies not to watch. And we are here to talk about Mufasa. Lion King movie. Yes, we all love a Lion King movie, don't we? My favorite 1994's original. Nothing can beat that. Now this is a live action movie, not a typical animated, cartoon movie, which I prefer personally. And 2019 का जो remake था ना, उससे तो far better है. Now let's talk about Mufasa.
जहाँ तक सूरज की रोशनी जाती है, सब कुछ मेरा है.
It's a beautiful cinematic experience. It's the prequel. It's the story of Mufasa. Now we all knew Lion King में Mufasa was the Lion King, but we didn't know what was his backstory, right? And what was happening between him and Scar, was the reason behind the animosity and all of that, we didn't know. So this story tells us that journey. So they've taken a lot of care when it comes to CGI. CGI is clearly the hero. It is outstanding, lovely CGI. You know what is the whole point of making an animation ka movie? It's to over-emote. The emotions, expressions are so well defined and so emphasized. वो दिखता है.
पर दो शेरों से झुंड नहीं बनता.
हमें औरों को ढूंढना होगा जो हमारा साथ दे.
इस टाइम हर एक कैरेक्टर इतना बढ़िया इमोट कर रहा है. So Shah Rukh Khan's voice is there, Abram's voice is there, his son, Abram, Shreyas Talpade's voice is there. Voice acting, when you watch a Mufasa Hindi movie, I don't know if you will be as impressed as watching an English version of it, because that level of voice acting is something very different.
हमें साथ लड़ना होगा.
तूने मेरी किस्मत छीनी है.
Now, like I said, they have taken a lot of care when it comes to music, which is amazing. When it comes to CGI, I wish they had taken this much care when they wrote the story. I mean, the whole Taka, Scar and Mufasa track, it felt like a force fit for me. Like you will smile watching the movie because it is so beautifully done. You will feel, you'll maybe even cry in some scenes. But when you walk out of the theater, you'll be like, yaar, zarurat thi kya? Was it even needed? Because every backstory, it doesn't have to be told. When you're telling it, there needs to be a solid reason to tell it, and I see that reason missing here. That's my, pet peeve with this movie. But there's this one scene where Rafiki is drawing snow angels. Yeah, what animation! Yeah, world-class animation. You must watch the movie for the animations.
Kiara, तुम्हें एक कहानी सुनाओ. किस्मत का वो खेल.
See, like I said, year end है. लोगों के पास बहुत time है. I will still give it 3 on 5. Otherwise, you must go watch it. It's good. It's a Lion King movie. At the end of the day, it's a family watch. You can go with your entire family, go sit and enjoy it, right? With that, I'm signing off. This is RJ Manasa. Have a great year ahead, guys. Lots of love.
Fever FM. Happening here.